Why does investing always involve risk? Because every opportunity carries uncertainty. So no investment is completely safe? Only cash feels safe, but loses value. Is inflation a hidden risk then? Yes, it quietly erodes purchasing power. So avoiding risk can be risky? Exactly. Risk exists even in action. How do investors choose the right path? By understanding risk instead of fearing it. Does knowledge reduce risk? It transforms risk into calculated decisions. Is volatility the same as risk? Volatility is movement, not danger. Why do people panic during volatility? They confuse noise with loss. Does long-term thinking reduce fear? It replaces fear with perspective. Is diversification a form of protection? Yes, it spreads risk intelligently. Why not bet everything on one asset? Concentration increases vulnerability. Is investing just educated guessing? No, it's probability managed by systems. So systems reduce uncertainty? They make outcomes more predictable. What's the first step before taking risk? Understanding what you can afford to lose. Is emergency savings part of risk control? It protects you from forced decisions. Why do prepared investors stay calm? Because risk was planned, not ignored. Is emotion the biggest risk? Uncontrolled emotion destroys strategies. What keeps emotions in check? Rules and discipline. So having a plan matters that much? Plans turn chaos into structure. Should investors ignore the news? They should filter it, not absorb it. Can risk actually create opportunity? Opportunity often appears when fear dominates. Are market drops good entry points? For prepared investors, yes. Why is having cash important during risk? Cash gives you choices. Is choice the real advantage in investing? Choice is power. Should beginners take high risks? Risk should match experience. Does risk tolerance grow over time? With knowledge and confidence. Does learning reduce future risk? It reduces expensive mistakes. Are mistakes part of investing? Yes, but they should teach. Is reflection necessary after losses? Reflection improves decisions. So confidence comes from experience? Experience earned through repetition. Do markets always recover? Historically, yes, eventually. So time reduces risk again? Time absorbs volatility. Does compounding reward patience? It rewards those who wait. What happens to impatient investors? They interrupt compounding. Systems reduce human error? They limit emotional interference. Automation helps manage risk? It removes timing mistakes. Too many choices increase risk? They increase confusion. Is simplicity underrated? Simple strategies are easier to follow. Consistency reduces risk too? It smooths outcomes over time. Is investing really a long journey? It's a marathon, not a sprint. Confidence lowers fear? Fear fades with understanding. So education is risk management? Education is protection. Question: clarity improves decisions? Clarity removes hesitation. Opportunities favor prepared investors? Preparation creates opportunity. Prepared investors panic less? They already planned for chaos. Order beats chaos in markets? Always. Vision guides risk-taking? Vision defines acceptable risk. So risk is a choice? A calculated one. Not gambling, just deciding. Exactly. Foundations make risk manageable? They limit downside. Managing risk creates freedom? Freedom from fear. That's financial maturity? Yes, emotional control. Balance reduces regret? It reduces extremes. Ah, I see. Most regret comes from bad choices or rushed ones. Patience again? Always patience. This process repeats? Markets repeat, lessons repeat. Experience reduces fear long term? It replaces fear with confidence. I feel more prepared now. That's the goal. Risk feels manageable now because you understand it. Risk, opportunity, and choice are connected. That's how smart investors think.